this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of December 2nd, 2022. Here are some upcoming events. This weekend will be the last weekend for Yearbook's $35 pre-sale price. Prices will raise by $5 each month until the $55 final price in March. So hurry and get your yearbook ordered at the best discounted price. I will email the link to parents once again. Our elementary holiday shop begins on Monday. Students can shop for great gifts for family and friends. Information was sent home in your child's backpack. The holiday shop will run through Friday, December 16th, with different merchandise during each week of the shop. Friday, December 16th, from 6 to 8 p.m., we will have a 5th grade dance as a Safety Patrol fundraiser. Both campuses are having a holiday spirit week. Monday, December 19th is Pajama Day. Tuesday, the 20th is Wear Your Holiday Bling. Wednesday is Ugly Socks and Sweater Day. The secondary campus will have a holiday showcase talent show on December 20th at 6 o'clock p.m. in the cafeteria, and a holiday dance on December 21st, also in the cafeteria at 2:15 p.m. Winter break is December 22nd through Tuesday, January 3rd. Students return on Wednesday, January 4th. Here's a message from our administration.
Hey everyone. I just wanted to take a minute to tell you all that I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. We all have so much to be thankful for, and it's good to be able to take a little time out and to enjoy all of the things that we have in life. I also wanted to give a shout out and to thank parents and teachers and students and administrators. We're really having a wonderful, wonderful school year, and we wouldn't be able to do that without all of your help. I want to also take a minute to thank everyone for all of your nominations. Again, we are in the top 5 in Palm Beach County. Voting will begin December 21st, so please make sure that you vote. We would love to, again, for the 4th year in a row, be named Best School in Palm Beach County. I also want to give a very special shout out to Jim Stafford. He is our videographer, has been our videographer for the last 11 years, and always does a tremendous job. And also thanks to Miss Cooper, who is now doing all of our videos, and you have no idea how much work she puts into that. So I want to just give a special shout out to the two of them. So thank you, and have a great weekend.
Hi PBMA families, it's Mrs. Smith, your elementary principal. We've been very busy this week back from our Thanksgiving break, and next week will be even busier. We are taking our iReady diagnostics in both reading and math. We are also going to begin our progress monitoring for grades K through 2. We want to have them all done before we go on our winter break. Grades 3, 4, and 5, they will be taking their progress monitoring too when we come back in January. Parents, please keep a lookout for those reports. They will be coming home shortly so you can see your child's progress. We're looking forward to seeing lots and lots of academic growth.
Hello, PBMA families. This is Miss Mason, your secondary assistant principal here with a few updates for you. We have Literacy Night coming up on December 7th at 6 p.m. We also will be having STEM Night January 27th. We're looking so forward to all of our parents and students coming out. However, if you're not able to attend in person, there will be a Google link provided prior to these activities. On another note, I just wanted to talk about our campus here. We have a beautiful campus for our 6th through 12th graders. However, we've had a few issues in our restrooms. So parents, if you could please talk to your children about making sure that they are going to the restrooms and not vandalizing or destroying our facilities. You know, we do a good job here of keeping everything maintained for the benefit of our students and our staff, and so we want to keep it that way. And also we have Miss Lyman is our art teacher, and she is phenomenal. But we have had some issues in our art classroom with destroying of art supplies. Those supplies that are bought, they are for the students to use. They're resources for our students, and they're not to be taken advantage of. So parents, if you could just please have a talk with your children about these two things, so that way we can continue to increase and have more resources for our students. Also, I just want to remind everybody that clubs are in full swing here. We've got sports that are in full swing. We recently had our esports that have been meeting, and so we have a lot of great things that are going on here at the secondary campus. That's all for now. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.
Hello, my PBMA friends. This is Miss Thomas, your high school counselor, here with a few announcements. My first couple announcements are going to go to my seniors. Seniors, please, please, please make sure you give me your field trip form for our senior pictures field trip that is taking place on Monday, December 5th. If you do not give me that permission form, you will not be able to go, so please make sure you hand it in to me. Also, please make sure that you hand me your name verification form so I can make sure I have the correct spelling of your name when those wonderful diplomas are given to you. If you do not, I'm going to have to go with the name that is currently in our system. Also, seniors, please be on the lookout for our second quarter graduation check. It will be happening next week. Parents, expect a call and a letter from me to show where your child stands in terms of their graduation. And also, seniors, be on the lookout. We will be having our senior meeting soon, so we could talk about some of those activities, the prom, the grad bash, and get your input on how you would like to go about it, fundraising, and everything in between. My last announcement is for all of my PBMA high school friends. Community service hours, I can't stress it enough, guys. Please get those hours in. Also, I have a community service opportunity that I will be sending you information on. It is called Toys for Tots. They are going to be doing it every Saturday this month in December. I will send you more information to sign up if you are interested. Thank you. That's all I have.
Hey guys, Andropont here, and I'm with two of our super students. I have Elena on my left and Aiden on my right, and we are here to advertise our new pullover sweatshirt. We have the school's logo on the front. On the arm, we have PBMA, and there's even something on the back of it. So these are going for $24. They're on our website already. Hurry up and get yours so we can keep those two cool for school non-PBMA logoed jackets off campus. Thank you.
The elementary campus had a Native American doors decorating contest. Let's take a look at these beautiful doors. Fourth grade is visiting Grassy Waters. The students are learning so much, going dip netting and on their swamp tromp adventure. Here's Miss Fisher with some safety patrol information.
Hey guys, it's Miss Fisher at Palm Beach Maritime Academy, and I have a couple of our safety patrols here with me because we are announcing that we are having a 5th grade dance, a winter dance sponsored by Safety Patrols. We're still raising money for our trip. So on December 16th, we will have a dance. It is for 5th grade only. It is going to cost $5 admission. You will pay at the door. We will also be serving pizza and drinks. And we hope everybody dresses up, comes in their best, and has a great time. So we're looking forward to having a dance on December 16th right here at PBMA from 6 to 8. So we'll see you 5th graders there. Dress your best.
Dr. Hayden's anatomy and physiology honor students participated in dissection of the endocrine system excretory system, digestive system, and central nervous system of a fetal pig. Students were asked to identify and locate the main organs. The students also participated in a fish dissection for their unit on aquaculture. The students had to identify various parts of the fish. Students had to do a lateral line incision to access the fish's organs. The students located the gonads, pectoral, and caudal fins, along with the gills of the fish. Ms. Memmon's 6th grade science students built catapults and launched marshmallows. In this lesson, students learned about engineering and design, Newton's 3 laws of motion, potential energy, kinetic energy, and the scientific method. Students had a blast figuring out the best way to launch their marshmallows and hit a target. And finally, here are the elementary sharks of the month celebrating by having popcorn with the principal. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll always be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.